This viral niche channel with only 69 videos has already made $67,000. They started uploading just 4 months ago and have already crossed more than 27 million total views, along with 72,000 subscribers. As you can see, these AI-generated videos are pulling massive views, and the best part is that to make these videos, all you need to do is simply copy and paste a few prompts. If you check their popular uploads, one of their videos gained over 7 million views in just 2 weeks, which is absolutely insane. Now, if you want to create these exact types of AI-generated videos using only free AI tools, follow the steps I'm about to show you in this video. You'll learn how to create videos just like that channel, so without wasting any time, let's dive straight into the process. First, what you need to do is comment the word prompt on this video, and I'll send you a Google Doc. From that document, copy the video ideas section, then open any chatbot you prefer, whether it's ChatGPT or DeepSeek. For this tutorial, I'll be using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT, paste the copied prompt, and press enter. ChatGPT will generate multiple video topics, and from those, you need to choose the one that you think has the highest potential to go viral on YouTube. For this example, I'll go with this topic: deadly cold, catching 500 frozen fish barehanded in -71 degrees Celsius Siberia. Now, go back to the Google Doc and copy the prompt generation section. This part includes a script and visual prompts for the video, but we're not going to use the script because the reference channel uses only sound effects with no narration at all, and if that's working for them, it can work for us as well. Paste this prompt into ChatGPT, insert the video topic you've chosen, and press enter. ChatGPT will now generate the visual prompts that we'll use to create the images and videos. Next, open Google Whisk and click on Enter tool. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the character prompt, and paste it into Whisk. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and hit Generate. Whisk will generate 2 images, and you can download whichever one you like. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first visual prompt, and paste it into Whisk. Then click the Add Images button and drag the selected character image into the subject box on the left. Once Whisk finishes analyzing the image, hit Generate again, and it will give you 2 more images. Download the one you like most. Now copy the second visual prompt, paste it into Whisk, keep the same character image on the left, and hit Generate. Download the image, then copy the third prompt, paste it into Whisk, generate again, and download the image you prefer. Follow this same process until all the final images are generated. Now comes the video generation part. To convert these images into videos, open Google Flow, click Create with Flow, and start a new project. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the same first visual prompt you used for image generation, then paste it into Flow. Click Create Image, select Frames to Video, and make sure the model is set to VO 3.1 fast. Set the aspect ratio to landscape 16:9 and set the output to 1. Upload the first image generated in Whisk, click Crop and Save, and then hit Generate. Flow will now start generating the video from that image. As you can see, the result looks incredibly realistic. Repeat the same process by uploading the second image, pasting the second visual prompt, and generating the video. Then upload the third image, paste the third prompt, and generate again. Continue this process until all the videos are created, and then download them one by one. Once all the videos are ready, open your editing software. You can use any basic editor, but I'll be using CapCut. Import all the generated video clips, drag them into the timeline in order, and export the final video at maximum resolution and 60 frames per second. And that's it. This was the complete step-by-step process to create viral AI-generated videos using free tools. Don't forget to comment prompt in the comment section to get the exact prompt I used in this video, and make sure to subscribe for more AI niche breakdown videos. Have a great day. Bye-bye.